Hello everyone, this is your host Shibor, and today I will talk to you about the Crypto and Pokemon Discord server. So let's get started. So first of all, I'd like to point out that when I was a kid, I used to be a huge Pokemon fan. I had all the movies, or almost all the movies. I used to play the games all the time and such. So with that being said, having a Discord server where we can mix both cryptocurrencies and Pokemon in at the same place is pretty great. So with that out of the way, let's get started with a Pokecord bot. So the Pokecord bot is basically the whole Pokemon game or the whole Pokemon world inside a single bot. To start, the prefix of the bot is P!, and to start a game, when you first join the server, you gotta do start, which will then show you a list of Pokemon you can start with. As shown here, once you choose which Pokemon you want to start with, you can do P!, pick, and pick whatever Pokemon you want, which in this case it shows Squirtle, which is a little turtle here. And yeah, once you've chosen your Pokemon with pick, then you can do a p-info to look at which Pokemon you have. As you can see here, I've got a Bulbasaur that's level 1, and I haven't caught any Pokemon yet and such. With talking about capturing Pokemon, as you can see here, a Magnemite just came out earlier, like a few seconds ago. And Miss Vi user actually caught him, and they caught a level 31 Magnemite, and they also won 0.02 Crypto Desert Cash. So the Crypto Desert Cash bot is basically hooked up to the Pokecord bot, which every time someone successfully catch a Pokemon, they give you 0.02 Crypto Desert Cash coin for free. And then you can look at your Crypto Desert Cash balance with this comment right there to see how many Crypto Desert Cash you have in your Crypto Desert Cash wallet. To learn more about the different commands of Pokecord, you can go on pokecord.com/commands. The link will be in the description below. So as you can see here, there's p-start, pick, which is that one there. p-info, which I just did earlier. Then p-Pokemon. So after you caught one or more Pokemon, then you can show a list of your Pokemon and then do a p-select and Pokemon number to choose which Pokemon you want to take. You can also put favorites or remove them, change the name of a Pokemon you have. If you have too many items, which I'm going to talk more about later, you can drop them. You can catch them with Pokemon name, but you have to know the Pokemon name. It's not told to you, so like it says, guess the Pokemon and type p-catch Pokemon to catch it. So if you don't know what a Magnemite is, or what this guy is, it's a Cacnea. But if you didn't know what this guy's name was, and it appears, and you do a catch, whatever, it'll just gonna tell you, well, you didn't guess the name right. So yeah. Once you've catched, you can also release Pokemon. That's basic stuff. You can duel other people. So whenever you catch another Pokemon, or duel someone else that's level 1 after you started or something like that, then you can fight people, which you can also do different moves, just like normal Pokemon stuff. Then you can trade other people. In the rules, server rules all the way up here, 6, it says trading Pokemon outside of Pokecord assets is strictly prohibited. So basically, don't do anything that's Pokemon related, Pokecord related, outside of this server or outside of the bot itself. you can learn moves, different moves as well. So I guess whenever your Pokemon level up, and then you can learn multiple moves, you can do P-Learn and then the name of the move you wanted to learn. You can also shop different items. So if you come here, you do P-Bal, then it'll show that I have 25 credits. With your credits, you can buy different things at P-Shop. And then, yeah, you know, there's different page, and then choose whatever you want to buy, right? And then that's more bot information. If you wanted to general bot information, if you want to invite it, donate to the bot, Patreon. And then for the administration part, there's a prefix, so we change the prefix. You can do silence if you want to silence it, or make him display less messages and such. P-order, change the order of your Pokemon in Pokemon and Fav. That's kind of, that one won't necessarily be used unless you really want to reorganize all your Pokemon by level or whatever. And yeah, so that's about it for the Pokemon Discord. Since the Pokemon Discord is also related to Crypto Cash, you can also give it a shot and join a server, talk with the people, and get to know the coin, right? I'm gonna leave you an invite in the description for both servers and also for the Crypto Cash website. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Leave a like if you did. Leave a message for more. Subscribe for more videos as well. And I will see you in the next one.